How to build an app using ChatGPT. Host, install, and play it on your phone, part 1. Do you know that you can create a simple mobile game using ChatGPT? First, let's prompt ChatGPT about what we intend to do so that the AI can provide us with a responsive code to build our app without any issues. Let's enter the following prompts. Please create a tic-tac-toe app with a simple user interface that has a reset button using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. In no time, the AI generates what we are looking for. To confirm that the HTML, the CSS, and the JavaScript are working properly, let's visit codepen.io. As soon as the window appears, copy the AI-generated HTML code and paste it into the HTML section of CodePen. CodePen refreshes and displays the outcome here. This is amazing. Let's also copy the CSS code and paste it into the CSS section of CodePen. CodePen refreshes and displays the outcome here. This is awesome. Finally, let's copy the JavaScript code generated by the AI and paste it into the JavaScript section of CodePen. CodePen refreshes and displays the outcome here. This is quite impressive. Now let's play the game to see whether it is working or not. It works perfectly. To run the code on your computer, you need to save it. Open Notepad and press Ctrl+C to copy the HTML code and Ctrl+V to paste it in the Notepad window. On the File menu, select Save As to save the file into the Web App folder with the name and extension index.html. Again, press Ctrl+C to copy the CSS code and Ctrl+V to paste it in the Notepad window. On the File menu, select Save As to save the file into the Web App folder with the name and extension styles.css. Finally, press Ctrl+C to copy the JavaScript code and Ctrl+V to paste it in the Notepad window. On the File menu, select Save As to save the file into the Web App folder with the name and extension script.js. Now open the index file in the browser and play the game to see whether it is working or not. It is working perfectly. Let's go back to CodePen and change the background color to make it stand out. If you are well versed in web development, you can adjust the background color within the CSS code. Alternatively, you can utilize ChatGPT to generate a new CSS code that will change the background color to our desired color. For this tutorial, let's do it ourselves by looking for the background color within the CSS code and change the hexadecimal color code to suit the new color. After changing the background color, let's play the game to see within CodePen if it is still working. It is working perfectly. Now let's press Ctrl+C to copy the new CSS code and Ctrl+V to paste it into the Notepad window. When prompted to replace the existing CSS file, select Yes to update the file. Open the updated file and play the game to verify its functionality. It is working perfectly. In our next video, we will upload the app online and host it. You can't afford to miss it. That's it, TechTricksGh. Follow for more. Don't forget to share, like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more tutorials.